वरना तू अपने घर का है। ओ पैसा है तो बड़ी 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 बड़ी।
So, hi buddies, welcome back. Welcome to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So, basically in this video, I'm going to talk regarding Accenture Technology 2025 hiring. Why I'm taking this topic? Because yes, many of the private college university students might be waiting for their placement 2025. Many companies might be visiting, like whether it be a startup based company, product based company, software engineering based company. But yes, out of that, one of the major recruiter of private engineering college is Accenture. You might be thinking कि कैसा कंपनी है ये, कैसा रिक्रूटमेंट करता है, क्या फ्यूचर है यहाँ पे, and how you can plan and what will be the planning and plotting if you are joining Accenture as a fresher. So before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. Just like you all guys, I'm an IT guy working in an IT since last 3-4 years, and yes, love making videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience, campus to corporate, even switch, even on-site experience, and end-to-end lots of things regarding IT and all. तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट रखता हूँ तो वीडियो बनाते रहता हूँ. सो वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो डू सब्सक्राइब एंड डू लाइक माय चैनल. Definitely you will be getting lots of similar content that will be helping you out throughout your IT journey, not only limited to Accenture or TCS, Wipro, Cognizant. Even I talk regarding product based company, target technology, switching on site, and lots of things. On hand, yes, try to watch this video till end to get clear with all your doubts about the hikes, growth, selection process, selection criteria, selection expectation. We'll be talking regarding. In fact, after this also, if you need any personal assistant, तो Instagram पे पूछ सकते हो, कमेंट डाल के पूछ सकते हो. उसके बाद भी मन नहीं भरता तो भाई टॉपमेट की लिंक मिल जाएगी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन के बायो में. From there you can book a slot with me personally, connect with me personally, discuss regarding what exactly you expect, and yes, as per that you can move ahead in this Accenture journey. Okay. So first of all, like 2025 recruitment will be there for 2025 batches. Maybe the market is not up to the mark, but yes, definitely they will be hiring in some number. Maybe like 2-3 years back they might be hiring 1,000 from your college. That might be reduced to 500 or even less or even more depending upon their business unit requirement. But yes, they will be definitely recruiting. So what the kind of package that they offer? See, in private engineering college, they offer two kind of package. One is 4.61 LPA. Okay, second one is 6.5 LPA. So how you can grab this 4.61 LPA package or how you can map with this 6.75 LPA package? Because there might be some difference ना, क्यों मतलब उसी कॉलेज के किसी बच्चे को 4.61 मिलेगा और उसी कॉलेज के किसी बच्चे को 6.5 LPA मिलेगा. So there might be some difference in the selection process. तो difference बस इतना है bro कि 4.61 वाले LPA के पैकेज में आप जा रहे हो तो the kind of coding question that they are giving, long problem solving question, if you are not attempting also or if you are only attempting one, you are proceeding ahead in the interview. But for 6.5 it is expected you at least test 2 questions. Okay, and that is totally relative. That relative, actually it's a relative market, totally depending upon the number of candidates who are appearing in that particular examination, and as per the question that is being attempted, they actually sometimes that things also matter. So 4.6 और 6.5 LPA में बस इतना डिफरेंस है कि जो कोडिंग की मतलब कि डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चन आते हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन, वो आपको 6.5 में अटेम्प्ट करना होता है. बाकी 4.61 की अगर आप प्रोसेस देखो तो नॉर्मल MCQ, सूडो कोड, cyber security, computer related question. Okay, and then you will be moving directly to a coding question. 2 coding sets of questions are there, 2 to 3. And yes, if you are solving this 2 to 3 question in a proper way, and if you are into the some percentile of your college or university or your region actually, then you will be moving for 6.5 LPA of package. So as a fresher, I think this is very good. If you are getting this package with a great experience and a great technology, definitely you can move ahead in your career. See, it's less, maybe many of you might be feeling, but yes, definitely will be getting some exposure learning that will be definitely helping you to take your career ahead in the journey. Okay, so this is the basic requirement and basic details that I would like to share about the recruitment process. After that, interview expectations क्या होती है? Okay, if you want to know regarding more कि क्या होता है तो नॉर्मल यार RS अग्रवाल की क्वेश्चन बुक बना लो या फिर इंडिया बिक्स की आप क्वेश्चन लगा लो, ठीक है. लॉजिकल, मैथमेटिकल, लॉजिकल, मैथमेटिकल, वर्बल और साथ में क्वांटिटेटिव ये सब लगाओ। ओके, साथ में कुछ क्वेश्चन रेडी कर लो, लाइक व्हाट आई वुड से कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन भी रेडी कर लो कि जो सूडो कोड है और जो मल्टीपल क्वेश्चन है वो आपकी क्लियर हो जाए। डेफिनेटली लॉजिक बिल्डिंग से आपका सेकंड राउंड ये क्लियर हो जाएगा, 2-3 कोडिंग क्वेश्चन की जो सेट आएगी, एंड यू कैन टू अहेड फॉर 6.51। ओके, इसके बाद होता है भाई इंटरव्यू। इंटरव्यू के पहले एक लिसनिंग राउंड भी कर लेते हैं ये लोग, लिसनिंग वर्बल राउंड, जो कि कंप्यूटर ऑटोमेटा बेसिस होता है, वेयर दे आर गिविंग यू सम टॉपिक्स टू स्पीक, टू find some missing word, to talk about to talk on something in English and more. Okay, so verbal round mostly it's not an elimination round, but is that weightage will be calculated in your final weightage, that will be giving you a final selection. उसके बाद होता है भाई टेक्निकल प्लस एचआर। टेक प्लस एचआर ये डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है, ये एक साथ भी हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर रीजन क्राउड। ओके, टेक्निकल प्लस एचआर राउंड के लिए ब्रो, any company you are sitting, whether not only about Accenture I am talking, if you are sitting for Capgemini, Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, or any company, I would say technical round के लिए OOPS concept is very important, the pillars of OOPS, the basic logic building behind the OOPS, the project that you have done, a good resume is actually expected. That is not some like very attractive one or a basic good resume. A person needs to be trainable, उन्हें trainable बंदे चाहिए। Okay, जो train करा के किसी different technologies में डालते जाएंगे। HR round will be totally depending upon your luck, that your vibe is matching or not, and as per that you will be moving ahead in this journey. तो टेक इंटरव्यू के लिए अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो तो एक अच्छा रिज्यूमे को शेड्यूल करो, एक अच्छा रिज्यूमे को डिजाइन करो, रिज्यूमे में सारे कीवर्ड्स मेंशन करो दैट इज एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्टेड बाय अ कंपनी। What are the things I would like to tell you? See, if you need any personal building, resume based building session, you can book a slot with me. Like 15-20 मिनट आधा घंटे का स्लॉट अगर आप बुक करते हो तो मेरे साथ टॉपमेट का नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। I will be sitting personally and designing for you that how you can plan your resume, and as per that you can move ahead in the interview. But suppose if you don't want to do that, I am giving you a basic ideas that what exactly is useful. Make the genuine AI based AI capture resume. Try to put your name along with the contact details and all the LinkedIn profiles and all on the top. After that, put your experiences, whatever you have done, whatever kind of project that you are doing. Okay, try to put your key skills like oops. Oops is actually expected. Okay, one project and with a proper implementation, that what are the tech stack that you have used, how you have implemented, what are the challenges that you have faced during the implementation of the project, what is the outcome that it is giving, what is the problem that it is solving, why you think that why this idea came into your mind, how this project can be more improvised, and how this project can be helpful in the real-time experiences of your college project. Okay, talk about the tools and technology, what are the libraries you have used, how you are calling, how the things are functioning. Have hands-on idea about the project, so that actually it look good when you start talking about your project. Have a good knowledge on OOPS concept, C or C++, anything that you want. After that, have some subject knowledge. They might ask you regarding the subject that what exactly you want to choose, and as per that you can move. Okay, so this was all about skills. This was all about the projects. You can also mention about the co-curricular, extracurricular activity that you are doing. That will be giving not so weightage, but yes, that will be looking attractive in order if you are going to discuss something with your panel. Okay, so see, drive your resume like whatever you know, put there. Okay, so that the interview are driven in your way. Okay, that is a basic level of interview that they actually expect from a candidate. That is, a candidate should be trainable. That's it. Rest, I always say, apart from all these things that you are doing, luck factor actually matter. See, if your luck factor is 0, whatever effort you are putting, that will be totally equal to 0. So put your effort. Without effort, 0 into 0 is 0, bro. If you are putting one effort and like your luck factor is 0.5, then at least 5 points you are getting. Okay, so put as much. See, circle of control is your effort. Whatever you are putting, luck is not in your control. Day is not in your control. So keep it, leave it. But one day, your effort will be definitely out. That will be giving you an output. So one thing you can do, put your effort as much as possible. That will be productify or multiplied by your luck factor, and that will be giving you a final output. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस। उसके बाद भाई ज्वाइनिंग वाइनिंग के बारे में जानना है तो दूसरे वीडियो है। एसेंचर में हाइक वाइक कैसा है जान लो, क्योंकि कंपनी में अगर तुम रिक्रूटमेंट में बैठ रहे हो इतना सीरियसली तो यू शुड नो ना कि हाइक वाइक कैसा देती है कंपनी। कोई भी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री को अगर आप उठा के देखोगे, कोई भी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री को, तो इफ यू आर गेटिंग गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स इन एसेंचर ना, द काइंड ऑफ हाइक्स दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग इन एसेंचर विल बी डेफिनेटली एन ऑसम। ऑसम इन सेंस लाइक अगर आपकी एक दो प्रमोशन 3 साल के अंदर हो जाती है तो पैकेज अराउंड 9 लाख रुपए तक पहुंच सकती है। आई एम गिविंग यू दो प्रमोशन में आई एम गिविंग यू श्योरिटी कि अगर आप 4.61 पे इंटर कर रहे हो ना, 3 साल में अगर आप दो प्रमोशन ले लेते हो, ठीक है, दो प्रमोशन, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हाई, package can reach around 9 LPA. I am having a live example and live cases. If you are taking one promotion, the package will be around 7.1 to 7.2. More than that only 7.5 around. अगर आप किसी भी सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी को उठा के देख लोगे तो 3 साल में भाई इस तरह का पैकेज नहीं हमको देखने को मिला है। सो दिस विल बी अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट। ग्रोथ ऑन साइड भी बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बट हाँ सबसे ज्यादा ऑन साइड तो टीसीएस इन्फोसिस में है। बट द थिंग इज दैट यहाँ से भी आपको बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी, लर्निंग कर्व अच्छा रहने वाला है। तो if you are planning this company, I am giving you the idea and a brief that how you can plan and move ahead in this company. If you join this company, my recommendation will be give at least 2 to 3 years here in learning. After that, jump in the market. Definitely will be getting the best that can be available. You know, guide is someone who has faced some type problem, and I feel that 2 to 3 years spending in this company can give you a better market value in future. I hope you got lots of insight from this video. If you think this video was little bit of also informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. चैनल पे नया भाई चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना। चैनल पे वीडियो ऐसे 600 से ऊपर वीडियो बनाया हुआ हूँ भाई, बहुत काम की वीडियो कुछ होगी। सब वीडियो तो सबके काम की नहीं होती है, बट बहुत सारे वीडियोस काम के होंगे, काम के नहीं होंगे। तो यार सब्सक्राइब करके एक लाइक बताना, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो एक पॉजिटिव कमेंट डाल देना भाई। और हाँ, कुछ भी पर्सनल टॉक करना भाई, पर्सनल रिलेटेड एनीथिंग यू वांट टू टॉक विद मी, देखो टॉपमेट की लिंक मिल जाएगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वहां से बुक करो स्लॉट। आपका भाई रेडी है टू हेल्प यू आउट एंड यस टू गिव यू अ बेटर सोल्यूशन, because you know perfection needs a right direction, and I feel my experiences somewhere will be helping you out in order to get the best option as per the ability of the option, as per what you are having. ठीक है, and nothing is bad and nothing is right in this world. The way you are moving, just you have to take this in a positive way. कुछ सही कोई गलत नहीं होता है, बस जिस रास्ते पे चल रहे हो उसको पॉजिटिव लेके चलना, बस ज्यादा बकवास नहीं करने का। मिलते एक नई वीडियो में नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ। रात के 1 बजे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ तो एक लाइक बनता है, दबा के जाना। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।